Hello and welcome to the myrecovery channel. I'm Dr. Axel Sylvan, one of the co-founders of the myrecovery app, and I'm delighted that you're here. Joint School is a response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Many thousands of people are facing the extra challenges of delayed or disrupted care on top of what is already an exceptionally difficult time. If you are in this situation, you're not alone. Joint School sits within the myrecovery app and has been designed to inform, support, and empower you with a range of useful tools and resources. The app is free, and you can sign up in just a few quick steps by visiting JointSchool.app. New videos will also be streamed live and added here on our channel each week, and we have some really exciting interviews and workouts lined up, so do hit that subscribe button. And if you have a question or a suggestion for a topic for us to cover, please do get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you. And in the meantime, be well, stay safe, and keep up the good work.